Welcome back to another quick and easy episode for our Thanksgiving dinner. We have our macaroni today. Right now I got a mid-high on my half and half whipping cream. I got that on a mid, so it got a nice little temperature on it. I got it stirring, and I just want to make my cheese sauce first. So I have my heavy whipping cream going. I cut my cube cheddar cheese in small cubes, so remember they'll melt easier that way. Also going to add some shredded chopped cheddar cheese to this. A cup of my sour cream. The sour cream trick in this dish is to keep it loose. It won't lock up. You know how some of your items just lock up because that cheese get cold on you, but the sour cream helps it all stay loose, because I'm going to add more cheese to this as well. So I've got 3 different types of cheeses. I got 1 pan of our elbow noodles. And as I brought my noodles out, I put a little butter on them just to keep them loose so they won't stick. Nice and loose here. And I also like to go ahead and season my noodles as well, because you can't get enough seasoning. So I use a little garlic powder, a little garlic salt, and a little onion powder as well. Now that this is nice and melted, and if it haven't melted all the way smoothly, remember it got to go in the oven on 350 for about 30 minutes. And once I get all the cheese in, I want to mix my noodles around, and I'm going to top this dish off with cheese right before the oven. And I'm going in with cheese, man. We love a lot of cheese. It is macaroni and cheese. Macaroni is now ready. Nice and hot, fresh out the oven. We have our macaroni and cheese. You'll find this and more recipes on fox40jackson.com.